Is 50 days the maximum one could boycott someone?
No. Boycotting is not really the maximum they could boycott as an out of dunya wise 3 days, of course. You can't boycott more than 3 days. But the boycotting for the deen, it hasn't got really a time wise. It is a medicine to be used with the right amount, with the right time. So when to use it and how to use it and how long. So the medicine, if it's not the right period, it will kill. And the medicine, if it's not the right medicine, it will kill. So you have to be careful how to use this, because at the time of the Prophet of Allah, it was a healthy society for the companions to boycott all of them together, the Ka'b ibn Malik and the other two. Nobody had talked to them. Whereas now, if you boycott them, everybody talks to them. All the people who are corrupted will talk to them. So there is a number of types of boycotting. There's boycotting for the sake of, for example, from the Sultan to the people who are under him, the leader to the ones who are leading, or from the father to his children. Okay. Or there's a boycotting as well for deterrence, from a person to deter him from what he's doing, or a boycotting for saving yourself, because I don't want to be mixing with him. It's like mubtada', son of the bid'ah. Refer to my lecture. I think it was yesterday, Ahmed. Yesterday.
I think so, Sheikh. Yeah.
Yesterday we talked about it.
Usul al-Sunnah. It was Usul al-Sunnah, Sheikh.
Usul al-Sunnah, boycotting, inshallah. Refer to that one. We talked about it, inshallah. And there is a lot of plenty in there.